So today I would like to talk about Noboborsho. We all know that this is a festival of Noboborsho in Bangladesh, and today I'm so glad to thank you to the organization arrangement by Russian Battalion 1BCB. And I'm also thank you to all the audience of this hall, and I'm today very excited to introduce what is Noboborsho. So Noboborsho is usually a festival in Bangladesh, and we'd like to enjoy this day when we wake up after the Fajr prayer, and we'd like to celebrate with our joyful mind and celebrating with our friends and parents of our only stranger in our side. In this beautiful day, I'm very excited that the festival looks so awesome, and today in my school is holding a beautiful festival here, and I'm very excited to enjoy this holiday here. And also we celebrate with our delicious food in our Bangladesh. The delicious food is also known as fermented rice, and we eat so much. This is the most delicious food in our Bangladeshi festival. So I am very exciting, and I think everyone would like this Noboborsho every time and every day. And if we want this Noboborsho every 14th April, I hope our life will be like to be lot of bright, and we like to have this Noboborsho. So thank you to everyone for giving me a golden opportunity, also platinum opportunity for talking about Noboborsho. Thank you so much.